Bonjour mes amis. Today we will continue working on the toolbox. We are going to pick up right where we left off in the part 1 video. In this lesson, we will work on the side panel, which is 8 inches by 10 inches. Now I will select the rectangle tool and draw the side of the tool. This is the rectangle tool. I will come here a little bit, use my orbit, and I'll stay a little bit away from this guy. And mine, I'm making my my toolbox is 8 inches by 10 inches. But Miss Walker said you can change it, or you can use your own dimension. You can play around with it. You can use your, imagination or whatever you want. So you are free to do whatever you want, but I'm gonna show you just the basic. So it is 8 inches by 10 inches, and the thickness of this is 3/4. So select the rectangle, click once, and click and type 8 inches, comma, 3/4, and enter. There you go. We got our rectangle. Next, I'm using the push and pull tool to bring the rectangle up. I pull it up like about 10 inches, which is the height of the toolbox. So let's do it together. Come here and come here. I know, Shamar, you can do it, and type 10 inches. I'm watching you, Shamar, and enter. And press space to escape. So now I will double check my measurement. It is 8, perfect, and I don't need it. And from here to here, it's supposed to be 10. Yep, I don't need it right now. Undo. And the thickness is supposed to be 3/4. And which is right. It is right. Okay, which is right. So let's go front view, back here to display. No, not display. It's the scene. I will choose this time front view. But I will close this one because I don't need it right now. I only need to see a little bit of this, so I will have the right dimension. Now, I will use the tape measure for this panel to add the footprint of your toolbox. So, select the tape measure, then select the edge of this panel from the bottom to the top panel. Make sure you push or press, whatever you want to do it, the arrow, the top arrow. And because if you do that, it will go straight, it won't go anywhere. And type 5.5. Okay. And then keep you still on the tape measure mode. Type 2 inches. And we know we have left 2.5. I can bet you if I do it this one right. Okay, so we're good. Now select the tape measure from this edge and type 3 inches and enter, and select it from this edge and type 3 inches and enter. There you go, we got it. So we still have one line to do, will be for the slope. So now we will draw the slope again using the tape measure. So I will come here, select this side and type 3/4, 3/4 and enter. And again I will do it from this side, 3/4. I hit the arrow, the left arrow, so I can have a straight line, a 3/4, enter. There you go. Now I will do the connection from here to here and from here to here. Here I can use also line to trace. Oops, it's not exactly on this one. Now it is. I can use, I'm gonna show you two ways. This one, you can use the line or you can use the rectangle. I will do rectangle and I'm gonna show you how this look like. See? Now the best part for me is to push and pull. There you go. Select this one. Come to push and pull. Bye bye. We'll do the same thing here. Bye bye. And I'll do here. Bye bye. Last one. There you go. Bye bye. Now I will delete all this. You can do one by one or you can select because I don't need it anymore for now. But I will create more line to have. Okay, we are going to do the opening for the handle, the support. What I will do, I will go again to my favorite tool and type 1.5 inches, 1.5. No, for here we will type 1 inches, 1 inches, sorry, 1 inch. And then, because we need to be away from the top 1 inch, and then go down, I will select it again and go down. Now we need 1.5, 1.5 and enter. Oops, 1.5, 1.5, enter, perfect. And we know already this is 2 inches and we need to have this opening. The width of this one is 1 inch. So what I will do, so I will move 1.5 inches. Oops, let's do it again. I will do it different. I will come here and make this. See, when you see the green, that's mean you are in the middle. And let's let my tape measure stay here. Okay, I will do again. And it's, we said it's 1 inch, so I can go back a half inch. 1/2, 1/2, and enter. And I will do the same thing. 1/2 and enter. There you go, we got the box. Now what we will do, I will come here and I will select this from here to here, and I have a box here, so I did the footprint for this. So now what I will need to do, come here, push and pull, and click at this edge. So this will open it and it won't go further. There you go. Ta-da! Okay, I'm gonna delete this line. Select and enter. Select I mean backspace, not enter. Okay, here you go. We have the exact same one. All right, class. That's it for part 2. We finished the side panels. In the next video, we will put everything together and add all the measurement. Have a great day, guys. See you in class.